Greetings, Duval County. This is Therese V, Wakefield-Gamble. I am running for Florida House District 14 this August 20th primary, and I am super excited to tell you that the Duval County Supervisor of Elections has put the absentee vote by mail ballots in the mail on today. So I want to remind you to make sure you're checking your mail daily, and when you receive your ballot, sit down to that kitchen dining room table and select Therese V, Wakefield-Gamble for Florida House District 14, the real Democrat that's running in this primary on August 20th. And once you complete your ballot, make sure you turn it back in before August 20th and share this video and message to your family and friends and neighbors to make sure they vote for me as well. I am the Democrat that will put community first and will put people over profits and make sure your tax dollars are being recycled back into District 14. So thank you in advance for your support. I look forward to meeting each of you. And remember, return your ballot as soon as possible. Have a great day.